Helpers are needed to prepare for a celebration. Each helper can make either 2 large cakes or 35 small cakes per hour. The kitchen is available for 3 hours and 20 large cakes and 700 small cakes are needed. How many helpers are required? Okay, so let's remove the S. Okay. So how many helpers are required? So we can solve this by trial and error. Okay. So each helper can make either 2 large cakes or 35 small cakes per hour. The kitchen is available for 3 hours and 20 large cakes. We will start with the large cakes. 20 large cakes and 700 small cakes are needed. Okay? So let's start with one helper. One helper, one each for helper is for large cakes. We have one helper can make 2 large cakes, 2 L for large, 2 large cakes in 1 hour. Okay? In 1 hour. Okay, so the kitchen is available for 3 hours. So one helper can do 2 large cakes in 1 hour. So in 3 hours, what this one helper can do, two large cakes times 3, we have 6 liters or 6 large cakes in 3 hours. Okay, so we need 20 large cakes. So therefore, we need 20 large cakes, so we need 3 helpers. So for 3 helpers, we multiply 6 by 3. So 3 helpers can do 18 large cakes in 3 hours. Okay. So we need another two large cakes. We need 20. So therefore we need another one helper. We need another one helper that will do large cakes in 1 hour. So we have this one helper can do 2 large cakes in 1 hour. But this one helper, he also, he still has 2 hours because the kitchen is available for 3 hours. So this one helper can do 2 large cakes in 1 hour, and then for the remaining 2 hours, he can do 35 small cakes per hour. So this helper, after 1 hour doing the 2 large cakes, he can do 35 times 2. So he can do 70 small cakes in 2 hours. So total for the four helpers, the total is 20 large cakes and 70 small 70 small cakes. But we need 700 small cakes. Okay, so let us solve the 700 small cakes, subtract the 70 small cakes. So therefore, we still there's remaining 700 minus 70. We need 630 small cakes. So how many helpers can do the remaining 630 small cakes? Okay? So we have already 4 helpers. So let's compute how many helpers can do 630 small cakes. So let's solve it. One helper can do 35 times 3 because 3 hours. The kitchen is available for 3 hours. So 35 times 3, we have 105 small cakes in 3 hours. So if we divide 630 divided by 105, that is equal to 6. So if one helper can do 105 in 3 hours, therefore 6 helpers can do 6 times 105, that is equal to 630 small cakes in 3 hours. So therefore, The total helpers are 4, and then we have another 6 helpers. So that can do 20 large cakes and 700 small cakes in 3 hours. So the answer is 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10 helpers. So we need 10 helpers to make 20 large cakes and 700 small cakes in 3 hours. Follow for more.